Videotaping that much. Okay, there we go. I feel like
As Hannah eats a cracker.
you're so oh my god.
Somebody's camera shy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are you doing?
Yeah, I really don't like being filmed while I eat.
Never again! I was gonna look for something. What was it? Guys, talk to the camera. It's going on YouTube.
Okay. Hey.
That's what I was looking for.
Oh my
people
gosh,
who
this
are
is so
watching this, I'm going to be
identifying
famous
who
one
I
day,
am.
so you're going to want to hold on to this.
You guys, I just like gave away crucial evidence of who I am.
Oh my god, you go to HT? I mean, no, you go to Thomas Horton.
I really want to eat this cracker.
Eat it! Eat the okay, you know what? I'll eat one too. Just so you don't feel alone.
Oh, yes!
Just so you don't feel alone. There you go.
Ring pop. Wow, it's turning out to be a really interesting video.
I know. So now it's like, true.
Oh wait, I'm gonna feed you like in the camera.
Excuse me.
Oh wait, no, I'm trying to do it like in front, but it won't. Oh, you're eating it.
That's so random. Oh, I was about to put the camera on you.
Show me.
You know what? Cracker cheers. There you go.
Thank you.
You guys are lame. You guys are lame.
We should film our drama exam.
I'm down.
But somebody needs a camera.
I have a camera and we can set up a tripod.
Hey.
Well, when I was 4 years old, oh yeah.
She like watches this.
Hey, Monique!